what's up mga katribo? For today's video nga ay gumraduate ako with honors! Charis lang! Medyo kagalang-galang po tayo for today's video dahil naimbitahan po tayo mag-guest speaker sa isang graduation dito sa Dubai. Dito nga yan sa Philbrit International Academy. At yan nga ang founder ng Philbrit. Pagkatapos nga niya mag-message, eto na, ako na!
Our guest speaker for today is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. A proud Filipina and a local living in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. She is one of the most popular social media personalities in the UAE, a full-time content creator, and a CEO of Sense by Kai, AD Social Media Marketing Management, and Kai Beauty. She has promoted and acted as an ambassador for a number of well-known foreign, domestic, and Filipino brands. She is a recipient for a popularity award at the first ever TikTokers Night 2023 and an awardee at the 2023 Go Negosyo. She aspires to make a good impression on everyone she meets. Through her art, she hopes to inspire others and in her own special way, bring happiness and laughter to everyone, especially her fellow kabayans. Let's give a round of applause to Miss Jinky Kai Dori Florence.
Director and founder of Philbrit, Dr. Mark Evans, Vice Chairman and CEO, Ms. Mayat Evans, parents, distinguished guests, graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, pleasant afternoon to all of us. First and foremost, congratulations, graduates of batch 2023-2024. Palakpakan nyo naman ang mga sarili for the job well done. More than 2 decades ago, alam niyo ba, I can still remember I was one of the graduates listening also to the person talking here. Naalala ko pa yung speaker, she questioned us, so what's next? What's your plan after graduation? My world has stopped for a while. Hindi ko alam kung ano isasagot ko. When my consciousness has returned, I heard my batchmates, classmates saying my mom wanted me to study nursing, my dad wanted me to be a seaman, my mother wanted me to be a teacher, stuff like that. Admit natin noon yan talaga yung mga courses, di ba, na pinapatake sa atin. After that, I questioned myself, Kai, Jinky, ikaw ano bang gusto mo? What do you want in life? What's next after graduation? I don't have a parent with me growing up. You guys are very lucky because you have your parents with you to guide you to decide for your life. Just like my batchmates before, they have their parents to tell them, be a nurse, be a teacher. I would like to take this opportunity. Pasalamatan nyo naman ang mga parents ninyo by giving them a big round of applause kasi nandyan sila. You're very lucky. I envy my classmates, my batchmates that time. Kasi ako, wala akong parents na magsasabi sa akin kung ano ang next na gagawin ko. At a very early age, I have to decide for myself. I have to plan for my future. Lucky enough kasi nga medyo mature ako ng early. To cut the long story short, luckily, naging scholar ako sa isang school, college sa Iloilo. I finished Bachelor of Science in Restaurant Management, and yet, I am here in front of you as a full-time influencer, a business owner, a vlogger. Why am I telling this? In life, sometimes there is redirection. We wanted this. Dapat alam natin, what is our passion? Ano ba yung ginagawa natin na happy tayo? Because I believe, kapag happy tayo sa ginagawa natin, if you're passionate enough sa ginagawa natin, there is success in there. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Kasi pag masaya tayo sa ginagawa natin, madali lang lahat eh. Madali lang tawid, hindi tayo nakapagod. Kaya I really do believe that there is success kapag passion natin yung pinili natin. Naniniwala din ako na God has a better plan for us. Let me share you my favorite verse, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know, kung alam niyo to sabayan niyo ako. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. If you believe in yourself, if you believe in God, because I believe God is within us. If you believe in yourself, if you believe in what you're doing, as long as it's good, it's godly, maniwala ka lang. Achieve success in the future. If ever you fail, normal kasi yun sa buhay. I experience also that. If ever you fail, just take the lessons with you. Live kung ano man yung mga sadness or hindi magandang pinagdaanan ninyo. Take it with you. That will make you strong in the future. And with dedication, perseverance, and believing in yourself and believing in God, I believe you will be successful someday. Congratulations again. Maraming salamat po.
Flag of appreciation is hereby presented to Ms. Sky Cory Flores for gracing us with her presence and sharing her empowering words of wisdom and encouragement as guest speaker during the 6th graduation and moving up ceremonies on 22nd June 2024 at the Aquila School, Dubai, UAE. Signed by the founders Dr. Mark Evans and Ms. Mayet Malan Evans.